Hello, everyone. Today, I have a special story for you. This story will help you practice English, learn new words, and feel motivated. It is about a young man who starts with nothing, but he never gives up. The story teaches one important lesson. Success is not free. You must work for it. Let's begin. There was a 19-year-old boy named Ethan. He lived in a small town in America. The town was quiet. Nothing big ever happened there. Most people worked simple jobs and lived simple lives. Ethan lived with his mother and his younger brother. His family did not have much money. His mother worked long hours in a small cafe. His brother went to school. Ethan tried to help the family. He did small jobs like cutting grass, shoveling snow, and carrying boxes. But the money was never enough. Even with these problems, Ethan had a big dream. He loved computers. He loved opening them, looking inside, and trying to fix them. He wanted to have his own repair shop one day. He wanted to be successful and give his family a better life. But he had nothing. No money, no tools, no business experience. Sometimes he felt sad. Sometimes he thought his dream was too big. But inside his heart, he still believed that his life could change. One evening, he sat outside his house and thought, "If I do nothing, nothing will change." That night, he made a decision. He would start, even if the first step was small. The next morning, Ethan looked for an opportunity. He knew many people in town had broken phones and computers, but the nearest repair shop was far away and expensive. Ethan had an idea. He could learn to fix small things and help people in his town. But there was one big problem. He had no tools and no equipment. For a moment, he felt discouraged. Then he remembered something his mother always said. "If there is no door, look for a window." So Ethan found his window. He wrote a simple sign on paper. "I take old broken computers for free." He put the sign in front of a supermarket and at a bus stop. Soon, people started giving him old computers they didn't want anymore. For them, it was trash. For Ethan, it was a chance. He took the computers home and began to learn. He watched videos online. He read simple articles. He tried again and again. Sometimes the work was hard. Sometimes he failed. But he kept going. After 2 weeks, he used old parts to build one working computer. He sold it and earned his first money. It was a small amount, but it gave him a big feeling. My dream is possible. He understood something important. Every dream starts with a small step. Nothing comes easy. Hard work can change your life. Day by day, Ethan became better People in his neighborhood learned that he could repair simple problems. They brought him phones and laptops. But new problems appeared. He didn't have good tools. Some people didn't trust him because he was young. Many people wanted very low prices. Sometimes Ethan felt tired. Sometimes he thought, maybe they are right. Maybe I can't do this. His friends took normal jobs. They earned money every week. They seemed safe and comfortable. But Ethan didn't want a normal job. He wanted a future. He wanted growth. So he kept learning. He practiced every day. He fixed more and more devices. Slowly, he became more confident. Then something big happened. An office in town asked him to fix 10 computers. This was his first real job. He was nervous, but he worked very hard. Day and night, he repaired all the computers. When the office paid him, he understood. Hard work brings results. This was only the beginning.
Just when things started to get better, life gave Ethan a big challenge. A new professional repair shop opened in the center of town. It was big, modern, and popular. Many customers stopped coming to Ethan. They went to the new shop instead. Ethan lost money. He felt scared. And then something even worse happened. While fixing one computer, an important part broke. The customer got angry and demanded a refund. Ethan lost almost all the money he had saved. For the first time, he thought about quitting. He felt hopeless. He thought, maybe my dream is impossible. But later that night, he remembered his first day when he had nothing at all. He remembered how far he'd come. He understood a mistake is not the end. A failure is a lesson. He decided not to compete with the big shop. Instead, he chose a different path. Fast repairs, honest prices, keeping promises. Slowly, customers returned. People trusted him because he was honest and hard-working. Word about Ethan began to spread through the town. People told their friends, he is honest, he works fast, he keeps his word. Ethan bought better tools. He rented a small garage and turned it into a tiny workshop. It wasn't fancy, but it was clean and friendly. He improved his skills. He learned new techniques. He worked faster and smarter. He even began helping students from the local school, teaching them simple repairs. Ethan realized something powerful. When you help others, you grow too. After several months, he earned enough money to hire a helper. His small workshop became busy. People trusted him not because he was the biggest, but because he cared. His business slowly became a part of the town.
2 years after he repaired his first old computer, Ethan opened his own repair center. He named it Ethan Tech Repair. The shop was small but bright. New tools,
clean tables, friendly service, and on the wall there was a big sign, "Nothing comes easy, but everything is possible." Ethan stood at the door and felt proud. He did not win because he was lucky. He won because he worked, learned, failed, stood up, and continued. He finally understood the truth. Dreams are not free. Success is not free. Knowledge is not free. You must pay with time, effort, patience, and courage. And if you keep going, you can achieve anything. Whatever your dream is, begin today. Begin with one small step. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for someone to save you. And never stop moving forward. Remember, nothing in life is free. Nothing truly great is easy. But everything becomes possible when you work, learn, and stay consistent. Every mistake teaches you. Every challenge makes you stronger. Every day is a new chance to grow. So keep going, keep learning, keep believing in yourself. And if you ever feel tired or lost, come back here. This journey is not only about English. It's about confidence, motivation, and building a better future. Stay with us, subscribe, watch our new videos. We're here to help you learn, improve, and become the best version of yourself. Your story starts now.
Thanks! Please subscribe and like. Spin a new yarn with us every week. See you there!